Okay, welcome to video 3.1. Today we're going to talk about conversions. Now, conversions, all this information that's at the top is given to you on a reference sheet that you'll be able to use while taking the exam, and also in class you'll be able to use them. This is not something you have to memorize. This will all be given to you. You need to know how to use that to convert to different units. So converting to different units, we use the Regions Formula sheet and basic knowledge to cancel our unwanted units from the numerator with the units in the denominator. So you'll need to identify the units that are needed at the end, identify the fraction or rate that we needed to start off with, and then convert by multiplying so the units cancel. So note, if we had 32 ounces and we wanted to convert to pounds, we would use the ratio 1 pound is 16 ounces. And find that by looking up here. So basically we know we want ounces to change to pounds. So I need to find something up in here that has ounces and pounds. That's where I get the 1 pound is 16 ounces. That's the ratio I'm going to use. We start off with 32 ounces. It's not per anything else, so it's just over 1. And then we need to use the pounds and ounces to cancel. Ounces is in the numerator, so that means I need ounces in the denominator, so ounces will cancel with ounces. 32 times 1 over 16 we can put in as a fraction in our calculator, and that'll give us the 2 pounds. So we'll do another one. To convert 23 miles to feet, I need to look up above and find something about miles and feet. I can see that there is 1 mile, 5,280 feet. So this is the conversion we will use to convert. Okay, so when we set this up, we do the 23 miles over 1 times the 5,280 feet over 1 mile. You could put these in as fractions if you wanted, or you can just, because they're both over 1, you could just do the multiplication of the numerators. Either way, when we multiply these, the miles cancel with the mile down below, and we end up with feet like I wanted. And this is my final answer, 121,440 feet. Convert 120 pounds to kilograms. So I'm going to start by saying, okay, kilograms is what I want. And I have here the 120 pounds. That's what I need to start off with. Now, in order to get rid of those pounds, I need pounds in the denominator. So I'm going to multiply. And since I needed to get kilograms and I needed to cancel out pounds, that's how I got this 1 over 2.2. If I multiply 120 times 1, I get 120. And 2.2 in the denominator. Then I can divide, and I get a icky decimal, which I put back as a fraction to get 600 over 11 kilograms. Okay, so we'll look on the next page. Okay, and on this back page, I'm going to do 8, 9, and 10. So 8 says convert 65 fluid ounces to liters. So if I do that, I'm looking to end up with it as liters. So that's my end goal. And I'm starting off with 65 fluid ounces. So I have 65 ounces over 1. I want ounces to go away, so if I look at my conversions, well, one way of doing this is I see that I know that there are 8 ounces in a cup, so I could do a cup over 8 ounces. So that helps me because ounces cancel with ounces, but I still have cups now, not liters, which is what I wanted, so I got to keep going. So if I'm just going off of my conversion charts that I have, the next thing I see is pints in 2 cups, so 1 pint is 2 cups. So now that helps me because now I can see that my cup and cup will cancel, but that still hasn't gotten me everything that I wanted because I still am not to liters like I wanted, so I have to keep going. Well, I know that there are, from the sheet there, 2 pints in a quart, so I could do that next. So now I've got pints over pints, but now I'm in quarts, still not liters, so I have to keep going. So to get rid of quarts, I could use that there's 4 quarts in a gallon. So then quarts cancel, but again, still not to liters. So finally multiply by that 2.7585 liters per gallon. They all cancel out. Finally, I'm left with liters. Now I can multiply everything together on the numerator and denominator, and I get my answer of. But if I do put that in my calculator, it can reduce to 9,841 divided by 5,120 liters. Okay, so that's it for the conversion video. We'll do more practice with this tomorrow. Have a great night. Bye.